To those who are new to my channel, please stay at home and subscribe to my channel for more English-Tagalog translation. Thank you very much. English-Tagalog conversation. I need someone to talk to. Kailangan ko ng makakausap. I'm always here for you. Lagi akong nandito para sa'yo. I know, you are my friend. Alam ko, kaibigan kita eh. What happened? Any problem? Anong nangyari? May problema ba? I like someone. May nagugustuhan ako. Then, talk to her. Kausapin mo siya. I don't know, she won't ever like me. Hindi ko alam, hindi niya ako magugustahan kahit kailan. Don't say that, you haven't tried yet. Huwag mong sabihin yan, hindi mo pa nga nasusubukan eh. I just want her to know how I feel. Gusto ko lang malaman niya ang nararamdaman ko. Then, tell her. Kaya sabihin mo na sa kanya. She won't like me. Hindi niya ako magugustuhan. How do you know that? Paano mo naman nalaman yon? I just feel it. Nararamdaman ko lang. You'll never know if you won't try. Hindi mo malalaman kung di mo susubukan. What should I say? Ano bang dapat kong sabihin? Tell her how much you like her. Sabihin mo kung gaano mo siya gusto. I tell her daily. Sinasabi ko sa kanya araw-araw. What do you mean? Anong ibig mong sabihin? I'm always with her. I love her. Lagi ko siyang kasama. Mahal ko siya. I know how you feel. We have the same problem, but he'll never like me too. Alam ko ang nararamdaman mo. Pareho tayo ng problema, pero hindi niya din ako magugustuhan. Wait, who do you like? Saglit lang. Sinong gusto mo? Oh, you know him well. Kilalang kilala mo siya. We're the same. She won't like me either. Pareho tayo. Hindi niya din ako magugustuhan. She does. Gusto ka niya. How do you know? Paano mo nalaman? Because who wouldn't like you? Dahil sino bang may ayaw sa'yo? You. Ikaw. You're wrong. I love you. Mali ka. Mahal kita. I love you too. Mahal din kita. So, are you going to talk to her? Kakausapin mo na ba siya? I just did. Nagawa ko na.